Polihates. 5, 4, 3, 2, basta. Yan. 1. Ayun. Kuya DJ. Bye-bye.
Exhibition pass to number 3, dribble, pass to number 4, pass to number 5, pass to number 3, pass to number 2, dribble, exhibition, pass to number 4, pass to number 3, pass to number 2, shoot that ball! Exhibition, pass to number 3, pass to number 4, pass to number 5, dribble, pass to number 4, exhibition, pass to number 3, dribble, pass to number 4, pass to number 3, shoot that ball! Exhibition pass to number 3, dribble, pass to number 4, exhibition pass to number 5, dribble, pass to number 2, pass to number 1, pass to number 4, dribble, pass to number 1, shoot that ball! Number 1. Next side. Last na lang sila, Daddy. Ready? Dribble, pass to number 2, pass to number 4, dribble, pass to number 5, exhibition, pass to number 2, dribble, pass to number 4, pass to number 3, pass to number 5, exhibition, pass to number 3, dribble, pass to number 4, pass to number 3, pass to number 2, dribble, pass to number 1, shoot that one! Okay, mga mami, dahil talo kayo, mga ate, dito kayo sa harap.
Sexy, oh. Small letter E. Small letter R. And last letter A. Para makalaman natin sila. Thank you. Para makalaman si Mami at si Daddy. Ata si Daddy. Wala si Daddy. Okay, at the count of 3, sabay-sabay natin siguro wala ka sa happy birthday, Ira. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Happy Ira, blow your candle. Siyempre, sa birthday party, nawawala ang wish. Mami, anong wish na para kay Ate Ira? Palabakan natin si Mommy. At si Daddy.
Wish? Asan mo maging ng artista?
Palabakan natin. Siyempre si Jollibee, di magpapatalo na gusto niya daw wish para kay Ate Ira. Palimulan daw. Jollibee. Bakit Jollibee na lang wish niya daw para kay Ate Ira? Ikaw? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wishes para kay Ate Ira. At ang first si Jollibee para kay Ate Ira is to grow up maganda at sexy katulad ni Mami. At ang second wish ni Jollibee para kay Ate Ira is to grow up. Hindi. Matigas ang ulo. At ang third wish ni Jollibee para kay Ate Ira is to grow up, madasalin at may takot sa Diyos.
Nanginginig eh.
At ang last wish ni Jollibee para kay Ate Ira is to grow up smart and always be happy like Jollibee. Kung hindi na makikita si Jollibee, lahat ko lang nasa tao sa gitna, upo po tayo lahat. Dahil meron yung dance number, si Jollibee para sa inyo.
Atras, atras! Sahib.
Okay, kung sinakit po lahat, tatay na pag-dance number yung Jollibee. Baka tamaan ko yung Jollibee. Atras na po kayo. Siyempre, hindi sasayaw si Jollibee na wala. Balak pa, kaya pala pagkalaman si Jollibee. Okay na yung Jollibee. Jollibee. Ayun. Okay na ba yan? Sige lang isi. Ayan. Okay. Ready na din na Jollibee.
Jollibee! Hoy!
Okay, last week, thank you naman kayo ng Jollibee. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Last picture din, hindi po nagkaroon ng Jollibee. Mawala pa picture ni Jollibee. Magpa-picture na po.